Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today guys is Christmas Day. So magluto tayo guys ng lasagna. So ipakita ko sa inyo guys kung paano ako magluto ng lasagna guys. So tara! Ito ang aking mga ingredient guys. So ito siya ang cheese na kinakat ko na. So yun to kinakat ko. At saka mayroon tong ito cheese, and then ito rin parmesan cheese. Yan. At saka pasta. Lagyan ko ng tubig para hindi siya mag-stick, para hindi siya maputol-putol guys. Dahil naluto na siya guys, dahil ang init, ay lagyan ko na ng malamig na tubig. And then ito ang beef at saka tatlong tomato sauce. Yan. At ito tatlo to. So ito guys, lagay na natin dito ang beef guys. Ito naluto ko na kanina. Yan, lagay na natin. So yan, ang dami tomato sauce. Hi guys, akala ko na record ang video ko, hindi pala na record. Natapos ko na nilagay dito guys, oh, ang beef. So hindi pala na-record. Ay nako. Yan guys, I mix ko ng beef dito guys sa tomato sauce. Yan, ito ang beef guys. So takipan na lang natin guys. Maghintay tayo ng few minutes. Okay. At ito pa pala guys, garlic. Lagyan ko ng garlic.
I'm gonna have to get rid of these.
Nakalimutan ko guys, ang garlic.
These will still work?
Yep. Okay guys, tingnan na natin guys. Ayan. Take video ane.
We already did this and lost it. We did a full lasagna video. A couple years ago, and that's what I want
Yep.
to bring up. So you don't know where it is.
Okay, look like it's cooked now this ane.
You ready?
Okay. Okay. Turn off. Ooh, splatter. Yan oh, luto na guys. Yan. Here guys. I put here. Gawa tayo ng lasagna. Okay, I wash my hands.
The sauce one first.
Hot. There you go. Ta-ra. Okay, put sauce. Nice if have a lot like this, honey. So that mini.
That should be it. Put a lot of garlic in there, I can see it.
Yep, the garlic I put.
All of it?
Only 2 spoon.
Okay, that's enough. Just spread it out now.
Yeah. Here, little bit.
Okay, put the noodles in now.
Okay, noodles. So the pasta guys, pasta noodles. Oh, see, it's not thick, honey.
Okay.
They put water and well.
Oh, they get bigger.
Yeah.
So we only need 3. We cook too much.
Yup. Make bigger. We expand.
That's all right. That's why I have some extra.
Yeah, 3.
3 extra.
Really expand. See, because I see this in the YouTube, honey. They put only water, not
A lot of they're doing now is they don't even boil this. They just put it in. No, they just put it in dry.
dry.
Not cooked. It cooks it.
And
When
then
we
so-
bake it for an hour. That's
so
when it
hard.
cooks.
This stuff.
Okay, now
Next
on top,
this.
then cheese.
Mix so that it's not watery. Ta-da! And then
Let's put some of this cheese in.
add that first.
Yeah.
Okay. And mix
Sprinkle.
to the cheese. What do you call this cheese, honey?
Mozzarella.
Oh, mozzarella cheese.
Not mozzarella.
This mozzarella cheese. I just chop. Okay, and this
Okay.
spoon.
Take little tiny spoonfuls.
Okay.
This is gonna be. It's gonna be like a glob.
What, honey? Blah.
Spread it around. So I'm saying, let me show you.
What?
Just take a little bit.
Just little bit. Why it mini, honey? There. So small.
To spread it more.
There.
A lot of people don't use it. Afraid of it.
Here.
Okay. Now this is Parmesan cheese.
Parmesan cheese. Oh,
That's forgot to.
there. After this, Parmesan cheese. There.
Open it.
These guys. Oop. Or here. Oh. Yeah, this.
Okay.
Okay. And next,
Noodles. Another layer.
other noodles. Put this circles maybe. Pull it down.
Looks like we got too much. We're going to
Oh, slippery.
23 saturated fat.
Oops.
No, no, move it over.
Oh,
Right through the wall. The side.
yeah.
Well, you can open it up a little bit. Okay, now sauce.
Okay. Tomato sauce and beef.
2 beefs and 3 jars of sauce.
Yeah, 2 pack of beef. And 3 tomato sauce. Have a lot, huh?
Yeah.
Have no more tomato sauce in the pantry, honey.
None?
Yeah.
Well, we had a bottle of wine.
Only white tomato sauce, not this. The white, what we call that?
Alfredo.
Alfredo. The white. Here guys, like this guys, to make a lasagna. First time I make guys. Try ninyo guys. Ang sarap to guys. Lasagna.
Okay, that's enough.
Okay. And this.
But I have leftover cheese a
What's
lot.
this we call? I forgot again.
Mozzarella.
Mozzarella.
How many layers we got in there now?
Go now. Oops, it pulled out.
The top, next to the top.
Yep. Nice this have mini, honey.
Good.
Ta-ra! You pulled down the other one.
There's juice in it.
Yep.
Pour the juice down the sink.
Ragata. Yeah, Christmas only once a year. Once a year only. Oo.
Okay, put the top on.
Yeah. Okay.
How'd you get this?
Oh, forgot that Parmesan. Almost full now.
Good.
Yeah. Next, pasta. We call this honey pasta.
Yeah, lasagna pasta.
I look at in the box. Pasta or noodles.
Pasta's the right way to say it.
Yeah, because you said noodles. It's pasta. May have mini leftover, honey.
It's alright, we'll get rid of it.
Here, ta-ra. Yeah, only the 3. I see that in video, only 3, honey.
Oh, we can fit?
Yup. Forgot that. I think it's not expand. Okay. Pabalik-balik lang to guys. Ito. Tatlong layer.
Push it down.
Do that.
Yep. The ends are probably going to be burnt, but I cut them off.
What it burned the
The ones on the side.
oh, that there.
Yeah, nothing you can do. Usually you cut it before you start. You have to cook it.
Oh.
That's it. We made it perfect.
Yep. This is a lot of
Put some on the end. If you want.
lot of beef compared before, honey. Before only 2 sauce that we make. What are you doing, Audrey? Always playing. We finish this so that have no leftover. Okay. No, it's overflowing. Okay, more.
That's it.
Have leftover, honey.
No regatta on the top.
Why?
Because I don't want it.
Okay.
Use this.
Okay. Finish this so that
Overflow in the oven.
oh, cover only little bit.
All you got left.
Okay, guys, put this mozzarella. See, it's enough, honey. Quarter I make.
We used it all.
Yep, 3/4. And the cheese, the whole cheese. Oh, only little bit. In the top,
Okay, done. We don't need any of this.
Need more.
It's going to take the taste away.
Why?
You want that cheese and the other one. 'Cause
Oh,
very
you
little.
want this? Oh,
No,
no.
no,
Oh,
I don't.
only this. Churro.
Okay, enough.
There's nothing here.
Usually when you get it, you put that on your slice.
Yeah. But I like that stuff.
I think it's too much.
Okay, done. Yeah, here guys, ready to cook in the oven.
Bake 350.
350 bake. Ilagyan natin. Oh, cover. Let's cover.
Very good.
Yeah. Only one.
Yep.
Ooh, it's enough this cover. Yan, para kapag kumukulo, di siya mag-splatter sa oven. Yan, guys. So, ready to cook now, guys. Ready to cook, guys. Lagay natin sa oven. Ito, 350. We set 350. And we wait for preheat. Okay, guys. So, let's see later. Waiting for preheat. Okay, guys. 45 to 1 hour ang pagluto, guys. At saka ang temperature is 350. Yan. Okay, guys. Lagay na natin, guys, sa oven. So, mainit na to, guys. Dahil na-preheat na. Oh my God, so heavy.
Mountain breakfast system.
Woo. There you go.
6 o'clock.
Wow. This timing is 5 o'clock. And we
Maybe a little longer.
yep, maybe it's longer, guys, because it's so thick. Ang kapal, guys, and heavy. So, maybe more than 1 hour, or we check in 6 o'clock, guys, because 5 o'clock na in PM dito, guys. So, let's see mamaya, guys. Okay, guys, it's time to check the lasagna, guys. So, here is 6:05 now, guys. So, let's see, we check if it's cooked. Tara! Oh my God! So, overflowing the lasagna. Have little bit. Look at that. Lasagna is overflowing. Because of a lot, RJ. Okay, let's check out the lasagna, guys. It cooked.
I built the thing they want me to build. I haven't listened to the
Oh my
documents.
God.
The yellow highlights.
Let's see. Oh. My God. Wow, overflow.
Good.
Good.
Ow! Okay, so they power out.
Oh, so heavy. Tara! Tara! There he is! Wow! Look at honey, it's cooked now, this honey.
Okay.
Ay, not no honey. Tara! Woo! Look at that! Look like yummy. See that, guys? Wow! It's overflowing. 1 hour and 5 minutes. So, have a lot. Look at that lasagna. It is so yummy. Honey, look, honey. If cook now this, honey. Try, honey.
Yeah, looks like it's done.
Yeah, it's cooked now, guys. Let's eat, guys. There we go. Yes, see, 6:05, guys.
Well, let's sit for a few minutes.
Yep, we set this is super hot. Maghintay pa tayo ng maybe 15 minutes or 5 minutes, guys. Para hindi masyadong mainit. So, tingnan natin mamaya. The oven is smoke. Okay, I just opened. We clean up this. So mess the oven. My goodness. Okay, guys, we get ready to tasting. What's look like, guys? My first time lasagna.
I'm gonna spill over the counter.
Lasagna. Here it comes. Here it comes. Need to cut now. Okay.
Is that dressing room?
No, huwag natin. Ay, not. Take video director. There you go. Ooh. Kainan na tayo, guys. Ayan.
Try to get two in the mouth.
Looks so yummy. Yep. Okay, go get two. There you go. You not cut all, honey.
Did I cut here?
You not cut in the edge. Okay, I put this here.
Are you on page 15?
With me, honey.
Get a fork.
Are you on 15?
And one of these.
Are you on 15?
Mm.
I'm just gonna keep building.
Because you not cut here. Okay, there you go.
Falling apart.
Yep.
Right, it's not coming. Don't film, it's not there yet.
There it is. Ta-ra! Make mess now. My God, is that sharp, that honey?
It's not gonna work.
Yeah.
So you're filming it?
Yep.
A disaster.
Disaster now. Look at that, cause you cut 2 times.
No, it just doesn't hold together.
There is, guys. Disaster cut, guys. Cut disaster. My goodness.
Okay. Got another plate. This was the split.
My God.
You don't want any more in here.
Yeah, mine.
We're splitting this.
Huh?
We're gonna split this.
Ah, I think yours that. Ah.
I can't eat that much.
There is, guys. Cut that. Ta-ra! Making disaster. Cut, daddy. Okay, guys. Here he is, guys. And let's eat, guys. Kainan na tayo, guys. Okay, guys, that's it, our cooking for today, guys. So I hope you enjoy it, and Merry Christmas, everyone. Bye-bye for now.